Hey guys, today I'm going to be replacing the headphone jack and hold switch assembly in my $5 iPod video. I got the part from iDemigods on eBay, and you can check them out if you want, so I'll leave a link down in the description. Now, the fun part, watching me try to open a plastic bag for almost 20 seconds. Finally got it out, and the wires are looking kinda folded up, but it should still work, I hope. Now, let's get started. The battery was unplugged because I was just in the iPod and I didn't feel like plugging stuff back in. Here's the old hold switch. I had taken the wires out of it and just left it in there so that there wouldn't be any holes and stuff getting in the iPod. Now that I've finally got everything sitting in there correctly, I'll screw it all in. Now that everything's in there, I'm going to test it before I clip the back on. Seeing the Apple logo is a good sign off the start. Hearing the clicker is good, but that doesn't mean that the headphone jack or hold switch will work. Now, let's find some music to play and see if that works. Hooray, it works. The main problem is now fixed. And the hold switch is working, which was the first thing that broke when I replaced the battery on this iPod a few months ago. Now that we know everything's working, I'll make sure everything's tucked in and clip the back on. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Remember to check out some of my other videos.